I'm Nikhil, Head of Curriculum at QMath. I've been teaching and creating learning resources for children for 8 years, and in this time, I've had a chance to interact with thousands of children, each unique in their own way and curious to learn about the world. At the same time, I've been really disappointed and almost scared to see the way in which our education system treats children. It seems that there's a systematic way in which our system and schools beat the curiosity out of children. Our children are innocent victims, and parents, in most cases, are helpless to do anything about it. In the name of math, schools force children to memorize facts, formulae, and procedures. There's an artificial rigidity that is enforced on a subject as elegant and beautiful as mathematics. On top of that, schools label children as strong or weak. There is no such thing as a weak child, only a child who's been taught badly. I've seen countless cases where a child who was initially strong suddenly is labeled weak simply because he can't follow the procedure of a new topic. Is that the child's fault or of the teacher's? This labeling is, in my head, an attempt by schools to shift the burden of responsibility away from them and onto children. There's no personalized learning, assessments are used to judge instead of guide further inputs, and there's no motivation or rationale provided for anything. Then we wonder why our kids don't do well on international benchmarks. To teach a subject as beautiful as math, you need a beautiful system. Math, through its elegant logic and clarity, builds a strong analytical framework in a child. This is perhaps the most important skill for a child to have. A person who can think critically and analytically can excel at any task they take up, may it be science, engineering, law, or even art. After all, this way of thinking is essentially a way of life. Unfortunate part about our country today is that even when parents understand the importance of strong mathematical foundations, there are very few avenues available to them to provide it to their child. Schools are grossly inadequate, but so is every other learning program. They either repeat what schools do or focus on redundant skills like calculations. It is this problem that QMath aims to solve. Our mission is to make every child great at math. We've invested millions on our learning systems and empowered our teachers with the best learning techniques and methods so that every child has an enriching and fulfilling experience. After all, that's the only way to make every child great at math. And this is just the beginning. With over 2,000 centers across the country, we are the fastest growing math program out there. We are striving to open this playground of mathematics for everyone. I encourage you to explore our program and see all of this for yourself.